Last season, reigning AMA US Hard Enduro champion Tristan Hart was flawless, and in 2024, he performed consistently on the FMF KTM Factory Racing 300 XCW, winning his fourth consecutive title. That experience has taken KTM to a new level in the off-road market. With its FMF KTM Factory Racing livery, and an outstanding blend of CNC and anodized hardware, the KTM 300 XCW Factory Edition is instantly recognizable. And the use of the top-spec WP XPLOR PRO suspension further enhances its performance. Now, the KTM 300 XCW Factory Edition 2025 with the XPLOR PRO 75 48mm fork is exclusively fitted as standard and is the pinnacle of enduro suspension, adding a new layer of comfort and adjustability. Customized peak performance and uncompromising off-road dynamics come courtesy of WP cone valve technology. At the rear, the WP XPLOR PDS, Progressive Damping System, shock adopts the latest settings that further refine the handling characteristics of the motorcycle as a result of better pressure balance and lower risk of cavitation. This shock will be able to handle the most difficult off-road routes, developed to tackle any challenge you dare to face. The motorcycle is equipped with a complete factory wheel set consisting of high-strength black did alloy wheels matched with orange anodized CNC hubs, black spokes, and orange aluminum nipples. High-performance Dunlop AT82 Enduro tires are fitted, which provide excellent traction in all conditions, while braking duties are handled by front and rear Brembo brake systems, including floating front and solid rear discs. The all-new FMF PowerCore 2.1 titanium silencer delivers the full power potential of the 300 cubic centimeters TBI two-stroke engine for off-road competition. With a larger body and lightweight titanium construction, the new exhaust offers unrivaled two-stroke progression. The KTM 300 XCW Factory Edition has received the ultimate hard enduro treatment, from the standard radiator fan to the factory racing triple clamps, to the front and rear disc protectors. Every element on the Factory Edition was chosen specifically for the job at hand. Plus, the durability of the chain slider has also been improved for 2025. Thanks for watching.